Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you that how can we take a screenshot in Windows 10 or on your PC or laptop. For example, I am going to my browser. I am here, I am watching some of these images and I want to take a screenshot. You have to just press Windows plus print screen key. It will take an automatic screenshot. Here you can see my screen, and now I will tell you where is the screenshot. Go to this PC and go to pictures, and here is a folder of screenshots, and here is the screenshot which we want to see. This screenshot I have taken just a few seconds ago. I will take another screenshot right here so that you can confirm this really works. Press Windows and print screen key. It has inserted a screenshot or another image like this. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video with your social circle. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.